Have you ever noticed that most workplace accidents don't happen during difficult tasks? They often happen during routine work. Why? Because when a task becomes familiar, our brain switches to autopilot. We stop paying close attention because we've done it hundreds of times before. A machine operator skips a safety check because everything looks normal. A worker takes a shortcut because nothing has gone wrong before. A driver becomes distracted on a route they've driven every day for years. That's where risk starts to grow. Routine work creates a false sense of security. The more comfortable we become, the easier it is to overlook hazards, miss warning signs, or ignore safety procedures. In fact, many serious incidents occur during ordinary tasks, not unusual ones, because people underestimate the risks involved. The solution is simple. Treat every task like it's the first time. Follow procedures, stay alert, and take a moment to assess your surroundings before you begin. Remember, familiarity reduces attention, and reduced attention increases risk. Routine work may feel safe, but that's exactly when you need to be most careful. Stay focused, stay aware, stay safe.